So I'm installing the radiator today, the one that I received from Pop Shop. Let's see how that goes. Alright, take off the air filter intake. Now you take off the shroud in the radiator. But before that, obviously drain your radiator fluid. Alright, so wiring up the fans, there's two, and they usually come with wire coming out of each one. But since you're using double, and we're just gonna use a switch to turn them on, you just do, they're gonna come, well, whatever color they come, so you just put two and two together. So black wire from this one, and the black wire from this one. So it just pretty much spliced them. Alright, if I can get it to focus. Hold on. Alright, so we got the black with black into a butt connector, and that blue with blue into a bolt connector. Yes, if only it would focus. Inside the cockpit.
I'm trying to tug it from the rear, but no type of space back here. Try putting your hand in, try to reach the other side.
What do you mean? Like on my side?
The socket should be coming out somewhere. You see it? Yeah. Going through. Other way. Going. Right there.
That's
it.
Ow. Repeat that one more time.
You're connected to one of your fuses.
Louder. He's gonna connect it to a fuse. I'm not sure. I think it was a fuse.
What is that?
Left. You left. Left. The lady.
Running good, man.
It's a lady,
That's
but
a
okay.
lady.
I don't know. Fuck it.
I'm about to turn off my car, bro. Last time she was scoping out Ivan's car, trying to jack it in.
We're right here.
Swear to God.
So everything was wired. It was two fans going, one to ground, one to the ignition, power 12 volts. Yeah, right now it's only about wire nuts, but that won't be for long. Route it up to there along the firewall. Well, not the firewall, but through the radio to the driver's side. And yeah, the fans and everything are on. fucking ugly ass engine bay. There you go. Thanks for watching.